Welcome back to the Nourishment Hut, your one-stop destination for all things health and wellness. Our aim is to bring you the most exciting, innovative, and sometimes surprising information about health, wellness, and nourishment. But before we dive into it, we want to remind you that our content and videos are for informational and educational purposes only. We are not medical professionals, nutritionists, dietitians, or fitness instructors. We always encourage you to consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. Please take a moment to review our medical disclaimer located in the description area of this video. With that said, let's uncover some intriguing nutrition secrets that might just change your life. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of celery juice. Ever wondered why celery juice has become a wellness trend? The answer might surprise you. It's not just another fad, you see. This humble, often overlooked vegetable packs a punch with over 20 anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a powerhouse for your health. Imagine that, a simple stalk of celery transforming your wellness regime. It's almost like discovering a secret weapon in the produce aisle. But don't just take our word for it. Let's delve into a real-life experience of the magic of celery juice. Meet John, a 45-year-old man whose life took a turn when he discovered the power of celery juice. John was a regular guy with a rather irregular problem. He was plagued with chronic inflammation and digestive issues. His daily life was interspersed with discomfort and pain, a silent battle he fought every day. And then he stumbled upon something that would change his life. A simple, unassuming vegetable, celery. He learned about the myriad health benefits of this humble green plant, especially its juice. He was intrigued. Could this be the answer to his health woes? With a spark of hope, John decided to give it a shot. He began juicing celery every morning, swapping his regular breakfast for a glass of this vibrant green liquid. As weeks turned into months, John noticed a remarkable change. His inflammation started to subside, his digestion improved, and he felt an influx of energy that he hadn't experienced in years. The persistent discomfort that had been his constant companion began to wane. John was feeling healthier and more alive than ever, and it wasn't just his physical health that improved. John found himself more content, more at peace, and more in tune with his body. He was not just surviving, but thriving. The transformation was astounding, and all it took was a simple change in his diet. John's story is just one of many testaments to the power of celery juice. His life changed, and yours could too. Are you ready to take charge of your health? It might be simpler than you think. Let's embark on a journey of wellness together, with a trusty green ally by our side. Celery juice. Consider starting small, perhaps a glass each morning, and gradually increasing your intake. You might just find it to become an invigorating part of your daily routine. Now, you may ask, what's in it for me? Well, the potential benefits are truly exciting. Imagine reduced inflammation, making your body a less hospitable place for diseases to thrive. Envision improved digestion, bidding farewell to those uncomfortable bloating episodes. Picture increased energy levels, giving you that extra pep in your step all day, every day. And the best part? It's all natural. No side effects, no hidden nasties, just pure, unadulterated goodness from Mother Nature herself. Remember, true wellness starts with a single step. Could celery juice be the step you need to take? Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with family and friends. Have a juicy day.